Now, challenges in question paper, past papers. What are the challenges that are in question past paper? Number one, what if the whole thing is about magnesium chloride? How do you start with it? Now, here is the change. To make magnesium chloride, you need to use one magnesium, right? And not half Cl2, because it is the formula is MgCl2, right? Let's change it here. Before watching this part of the video, you can pause and watch it later, because it's going to be a long video. Okay, so magnesium solid, and you're going to use 1 mole of chlorine to make 1 mole of magnesium chloride, isn't it? Think about it. Magnesium 1 mole, chlorine 1 mole, you are going to make 1 mole of magnesium chloride. Now, how do you make this thing? Okay, this is magnesium chloride. First of all, I'm going to make it into solid into gas. So I'm going to write Mg gas. Now, Cl2, it will be definitely atomization of magnesium. Cl2 will be as it is. Will be as it is. We don't have to change it now because we are focusing on magnesium. Then you want to make magnesium into magnesium 2 plus, isn't it? Magnesium 2 plus gas. Now here is the thing, important thing. That is, if you want to make magnesium into magnesium 2 plus, there has to be 2 electrons taken out, not just 1. So it will be delta H of ionization 1 plus delta H of ionization 2. 2 electrons has to be taken out. Here it will be like before, Cl2 gas. Now you get the magnesium 2, you got the magnesium 2 plus, so don't have to worry about it. Now worry about chlorine. Now if you want to make the chlorine into chloride ion, if you want, it's not half Cl2, it's Cl2. So if you break it, make it, you will get 2 atoms. So can I write 2Cl? If I break it, 2Cl, right? So here the value of atomization of this Cl2, the 2Cl, the value of atomization will be equal to the bond energy, not half. When we did NaCl, we had half Cl2, so we make the bond energy into half. But here Cl2, you are making 2Cl. What is the value of atomization? It will be equal to the bond energy, which is maybe 400, I don't know, maybe 400. Do not change it, it's the same value. You put the value here, same. Now from 2Cl, if you want to make chloride ion, you have, we call it electron affinity, right? But here's the thing, there's not one chlorine atom, there are 2 chlorine atoms, so you have to multiply by 2. If there was just one, what is the definition of electron affinity? Giving 1 electron in 1 mole of gaseous atom, but there is 2 mole, so we need to multiply by 2, electron affinity into 2. So eventually you're gonna get this, right? It will be magnesium 2 plus, of course, don't worry about that. It's definitely going to be magnesium, don't do any mistake here. Now you have magnesium 2 plus, 2Cl minus, you get delta H of lattice enthalpy, magnesium chloride. Now you can apply this here. So the formula would be delta H F MgCl2, delta H atomization of magnesium, ionization 1 plus delta H of ionization energy 2. There are 2 ionization energies, right? two ionization energies. Delta atomization into chlorine, of course, but the value will not be half of Cl2. It will be equal to Cl bond energy. Now here we need to multiply with 2 into electron affinity, right? Because there is electron affinity. You are giving electron, but there are 2 mole of gaseous atom, so you have to multiply by 2. Delta H Le. Everything is set. Now just put the values where it is needed, and inshallah you'll be able to find the values that we needed. One more thing. I told you that this is going to be a very long video. What if this is not Cl2? What if this is oxide, O2 minus? When you have O2 minus, here it will be electron affinity 1 plus electron affinity 2, because you are not giving 1 electron, you are giving 2 electrons. Electron affinity 1, O becomes O minus. You give another electron, O minus become O2 minus. So in this question, if it is magnesium oxide, here the value, it will be electron affinity 1 plus electron affinity 2. I hope that it's clear now. Now if you do some exercise, inshallah you'll be able to find the mistakes that you may do or may face. But later, inshallah, in our class I will try to solve those problems, because it needs a lot of practice, inshallah. So Allah Hafiz.